Welcome to Shri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwar University Examination Section. With a dedicated team of management and administrator, our university is taking giant stride accomplishing its vision and mission under the able guidance of our Chancellor Pujya Shri D. Virendra Hegde ji and Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Niranjan Kumar. It is said that the office of examination is considered as temple of womb, where the sacred answer scripts of all students are processed leading to final results. Here, we follow the system of digital paperless examination and also ensure strict and flawless conduct of examinations that are beneficial to the students. Digital, the paperless examination system. Digital is the custom-built device used to write your exams. It comes with a stylus and has an ergonomic design such that the experience is similar to writing with a pen and paper. With digital, students can write all type of answers including MCQs as also descriptive questions. The device starts with a student's authentication biometrics, which is either the fingerprint or the iris scan. The newer devices have the iris scan. To perform the iris scan, you hold the device to your eye level so that the eyes come in between the two concentric circles. The student's university registration number is linked to the iris scan. Following the successful biometrics, the device will display the student's admit card with your details, which include your name, exam subject, date, course, and most importantly, your photograph. The question paper will be downloaded onto the device and displayed exactly at the start time of the examination. The device time may slightly vary with other time, but the question paper will be displayed for full duration of the examination, which is 3 hours as per the device timing. The digital device has different writing tools which are used for writing the answers. It has tools like pen tip sizes, paper formats, highlighter, an eraser, calculator, rough work area, and cut and paste option. This icon is the student's dashboard. The student dashboard will have the details of the answers written and remaining questions to be answered, their registration number as well as the exam details. Q is the icon for question paper. Whenever you click on the Q, the question paper will be displayed. This is the question paper. If you click on the Q in the menu bar, then you will be able to see the question paper. Once you click on the question, the answer page opens. Before starting to write, you have to choose the required format of the page. There are varied options like it can be ruled page or an unruled page, or you can also increase the width between the ruled lines. Out of the many options which are available, you can select the one which is most appropriate. You need to scroll down to see the entire question paper. Check for the total marks and duration mentioned on the question paper. Now, these are the multiple choice questions. So you can click on the correct option and it will be highlighted in green color. You can change the answer option as many times as you want. The final highlight will be taken as the answer for this question. Color plate tools allows you to choose the color for the pen tip. Ideally, the text part will be written in blue or black color, but different colors can be used for the diagrams. Pen tip size can be adjusted as per the requirement. There are different sizes of tips. We also have 2 brush options for thicker lines. Writing patterns are available, but this is not much of use for us. Shapes and measuring tool will help you to choose the necessary shapes for the diagrams. Readily available circles for histology diagrams can be made easily. If you want to erase few words, then you have option of small eraser tool. If you want to erase large area at once, then you have the option of block erase. You will be prompted with a message whenever you want to do the block erase with a yes or a no. Only if you click yes, then it will be erased. After you have said yes for the block erase, and still if you want to retrieve it immediately without clicking any other operational tool function, then that option is available by clicking the undo button. If you click on the redo button, then whatever has been erased will be retrieved. Next, you have the option of highlighter tool. You can highlight any important point of the answer with a single line type highlighter. If you want to highlight the entire paragraph, then there is an option of selecting the large area to highlight. Once you have highlighted any area which you feel you shouldn't have done, then you can erase just the highlighted part without erasing the written matter. Further, you have the cut, copy, paste option. These functions are rarely useful for writing the answers. However, they come handy if any mistakes are done. For example, if you have written the answer of second question on the page of third question, then you can cut and paste it in the right answer page. Rough area is another option which is available in the device. This can be of some use when you want to draw a diagram in the exam hall and you may not be very perfect sometime. In that case, you can start drawing on the rough area, and if you feel that the diagram drawn looks good and feel that it can fetch some marks, then you can cut and paste that diagram from the rough area to the main answer sheet page. Once you have completed writing the exam, you have to go to the student's dashboard and click on the Finish button. When you click on this Finish button, it will prompt you with a message. Do you really want to finish the exam? If you click yes, the script gets submitted. After that, you cannot do any changes. These are the screenshots of the answer script of students who have drawn neat diagrams in the answer scripts. With such labeled diagrams, you score more marks from the evaluator. Your scripts are available for the evaluator for the online evaluation. The advantage of this method here is that the script looks very clear and bright for the evaluator, unlike from the scanned papers which compromise the clarity due to scanning. Since the scripts are very neat and clear, there are all possible chances that if you have studied reasonably good, then you score more marks from the evaluator. Now, it is also very easy even to draw big diagrams on this device. Here is a demo of a large diagram drawn on the device. You can see that the diagram continues also on the second page. This is the digital era. Digitalization brings all kinds of procedures, techniques, information at our very own fingertips. The biggest advantage being it is completely paperless and hence environmental friendly. So, we finally understand that it is all possible with this magnificent device and its varied options. You can now write n number of pages without any limits whatsoever. Hope this tutorial was very helpful for all of you. Thank you.